I have our photosynthesis and cellular respiration playing cards laid out on my desk here, and I'm going to show you how we're going to play this game. So it's kind of like when you play a game with a little kid and you keep them face up while you're explaining the game to them, and then like as they get better at it you kind of hide the cards from them. So if you get your cards and you have the sun's energy, you go first, because the sun's energy is the first step for energy transfer for our planet. And then the person who has photosynthesis would go next, because that's the process that's needed to transfer the sun's energy. The person who has carbon dioxide is going to put down a carbon dioxide. And the person who has a water is going to put down a water. And then if you have a card and you don't know where it goes, you lose a turn. The person who has chloroplast puts the chloroplast next. And then glucose person, and then oxygen. So that's going to show us that photosynthesis occurs when carbon dioxide and water go into the chloroplast, and that produces glucose and oxygen. And then the person who has cellular respiration card goes next, and they would put down glucose, and then the next person would put down oxygen, and then the person who has the mitochondria would get to go, and then the person who has water would go, and then the carbon dioxide would be next, and then the person who has ATP gets to put the last card down. If you have any cards, the person who gets to put all their cards down first wins, because you were able to show the processes of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water in the chloroplast make glucose and oxygen, and cellular respiration, glucose and oxygen in the mitochondria make water, carbon dioxide, and ATP. So when you play, you shuffle the cards all up, and everybody, you kind of deal them out half and half, and you deal them, one for you, one for me, so on. All right, so good luck.